Welcome kids. Now we are going to write letter E. 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 I'm choosing the chalk piece of green color to write E. To write E, first we have to write this line, standing line and 3 sleeping lines. E. Again we are going to write letter E. 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 Let's write few more times. E. 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 So this is our letter E. What is the sound for this letter is A. A. So I'm going to draw some pictures for the letter E. I'm choosing yellow color to draw my images. First, I'm going to draw an object. Let's see what I'm going to draw. I'm drawing the line and one more line. And I'm going to draw oval shape over here. Okay. Now, I'm drawing the square. So, square. And let me erase little. So I am drawing. Let me erase little. Okay. So I'm drawing the wheels by using the circles. One more wheel. So wheels are ready. What is this? Is there any guesses? Let's finish this drawing, okay? So, what is this? Yes, this is an engine. I am drawing some smoke from my engine. So, there is a smoke in this engine. 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 So this is an engine. Next I'm going to draw. Let's check what I'm drawing. What is this? What is this? It is an eggplant. Eggplant. Okay. Engine. Eggplant. My third image for letter E is. So I'm drawing a rectangle shape. And I'm drawing the lines like this. What it is? It is an envelope. So this is the envelope. We are going to write the names for this images. What is this? It is an engine. Let's write engine. E. E is the beginning sound of the letter, sound of this picture, engine. E. E. N. G. I. N. E. Engine. Engine. E. Engine. 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 Eggplant. E. G. G. Egg. Plant. P. L. A. N. T. Eggplant. This is eggplant and this is an envelope. Let's write envelope. E. N. V. E. Envelope. L. O. P. E. Envelope. So this is an envelope. E. Envelope. E. Eggplant. E. Engine. So we have finished writing letter E and some pictures for the letter E. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.